Well, Army Private First Class Bradley Manning is less than 24 hours away from finding out if he is guilty of a crime that could lead to a life behind bars. The presiding judge in the court-martial of the 25-year-old WikiLeaker has given the media notice that she will announce her final decision at 1 p.m. tomorrow at Fort Meade. This comes just 3 days after Judge Denise Lynn began debating the verdict. Both the prosecution and defense rested their cases on Friday afternoon. After the verdict is announced, the court will move into the sentencing phase, where the defense is expected to call on some 24 witnesses. The prosecution will reportedly call on another 21 people. Manning has already pleaded guilty to 10 lesser charges, which could result in a maximum of 20 years behind bars. However, because of Colonel Lynn refusing to drop the aiding the enemy charge, Manning could end up spending the rest of his life in prison. But no matter the outcome, 112 days will be knocked off of the final sentence because of the harsh treatment that Manning actually received while he was staying in the Quantico prison. That included months of solitary confinement. Manning spent an unprecedented 1,100 days in pre-trial confinement until his trial began in June. Now, meanwhile, protests happened internationally over the weekend in support of Manning in countries like Australia, Italy, Belgium, South Korea, and also in states around the U.S. Thousands stood, protested, and danced in solidarity with the man responsible for giving WikiLeaks more than 700,000 classified State Department cables.